Welcome to this tutorial on how Cleo Cash App works. Cleo is a financial management app that helps users track their expenses, create budgets, and save money. To get started, you need to download and install the Cleo app on your mobile device. Once installed, you will be prompted to link your bank account to the app. This is a secure process that allows Cleo to access your account information and provide you with personalized financial insights. After linking your account, Cleo will begin to categorize your transactions into different groups such as food, transportation, and entertainment. This helps you understand where your money is going and identify areas where you can cut back. One of the key features of Cleo is its ability to help you create a budget. The app will analyze your income and expenses to determine how much you can afford to spend in each category. You can then adjust these budgets to suit your needs and financial goals. Cleo also offers a savings feature that allows you to set aside a portion of your income into a separate savings account. This can help you build up your savings over time and achieve your long-term financial goals. In addition to these features, Cleo also provides users with personalized financial advice and recommendations. The app will analyze your spending habits and provide you with suggestions on how to reduce your expenses and improve your financial health. To get the most out of Cleo, it is essential to regularly review your account activity and update your budgets as needed. This will help you stay on track with your financial goals and ensure that you are making the most of the app's features. Overall, Cleo is a powerful tool for managing your finances and achieving your financial goals. By following these steps and using the app's features, you can take control of your money and start building a stronger financial future.